In this video, I want to show you how to solve ERDAS IMAGINE unsupported compression type error. This usually happens when you want to import data into ERDAS IMAGINE interface. It usually sends you an error notification message that unsupported compression type. Let me show you how it looks like and how to solve it. This is ERDAS IMAGINE. Normally, to add data to ERDAS IMAGINE, you just right click on the view and click on open raster layer. Then let's navigate to where I have the data. Yes, I have the data here. Let me choose the format, which is TIFF. Yes, I have all these Landsat images here. If I want to load in any of the band, for example, let's say band 2. If I click on band 2, you can see that the error message, unsupported compression type. So if you are having this error, I will show you how to solve it. And the reason is that the data type, which is TIF for Landsat image, is not directly supported here. So you need to convert it to the format that this ERDAS IMAGINE supports. So to do that, just click on OK to all and close this page. So to solve this problem, come to Manage Data, then come to Import Data. Then here, change the format to GeoTIFF. GeoTIFF. Then here, the input file. Click here to navigate to your folder where you have the data. So in this case, let me navigate to my folder. Then this is the folder. I will click, for example, band 2. It will show me this error message. At this point, click on OK to all and close this page. Click on OK. When you click on OK, you can see that it has captured it. The input file is this and the output. So specify where you want the output to be by the time it is converted. Click here. Let's navigate to where I want my data to be. So let's put the output here. You can rename it as deem fit. For the purpose of simplicity, let's just leave it as B2 for band 2. Then at this point, click on OK. Then click on OK. So this will bring this page for you to finally say OK to convert it. You can see the preview here and the destination of where the converted product will be. So click on OK. So in few seconds, it will be converted to image that this ERDAS IMAGINE can easily support. Yes, the conversion is done. So you can now click on close. To import it now to the interface, let's close this. You can just right click here and click on add raster layer. So navigate to that very folder where you saved the products converted. So this is the folder image. You can see B2 for band 2. Click it now and click on OK. Then come back to home. You can see it has been added. Come back to home and click on fit to frame. You can see this is our band 2. You can see that we have solved the issue of unsupported compression type. So if you still want to add another image or another band, just come back to manage data, click on import data. Then this one, change it to GeoTIFF. GeoTIFF. Then click here and navigate to your folder. Let's say you want to add band 3. Click on band 3 and normal, it will show you this error, unsupported compression type. Click on OK to all and close this page. Then click on OK. You can see it has been captured. Then specify your output folder. This one, you can label it as band 3. band 3 and click on OK. Then click OK. Finally, click on OK. In few seconds, it will be converted to image as well, which you can import into this ERDAS IMAGINE interface. So it is done. You can now close it. So to bring it in, just right click here, open raster layer, navigate to your folder, and here is it, band 3. Click on it and click on OK. So you can see that band 3 also has been added. This is band 3, this is band 2, and this is band 3. So this is how to solve the error of unsupported compression type in ERDAS IMAGINE. Thank you for watching.